Hey, Datta this side, and are you still having difficulties to understand the new rules and regulations of Facebook payment method or the RBI in India? Then watch this video till the end. This is the part 2 video. I already created a video number 1, that is the Facebook ad payment method not working. I had a detailed video, I shared all the steps there, but still if you are facing difficulties, I have given the links of the part 1 below this video. You can check the part 1, the link below this video या ऊपर या नीचे तो आपको link आएगा. Watch that video. This is the part 2, the latest update after 31st September. Now there are some great updates for you as well as considering the security of your money, the frauds, and the like protecting your accounts in the online payment method. Now let's talk about the Facebook payment method. I will be sharing very important steps, so please watch this video till the end. Let me take you on my screen. First of all, जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, there is a part 1 video. You can see on my screen like Facebook payment method not working. You can check the link below or you can go to my YouTube channel and we'll find that one. Now in the part 2, I'm going to discuss about very important point here. Here we go. So first of all, I will tell you what is the intention, the tips we covered in the part 1, and the part 2 tips is really important. Also, I will be having gifts for you. Here we go. So first of all, the very quick, I will recap how to fix your Facebook payment method or billing issue, no matter Facebook or online any payment you make for your business. But here हम लोग discuss करेंगे Facebook payment method. So tips I shared in the part 1 with 3 parts, like understand the type of ad accounts, payment method, reason for payment fails, and the solution. The links has been given below this video. Please watch that video till the end. Again, I will recap quickly what we cover there. The different accounts, like there are 2 type of accounts, postpaid, auto debit facility, and prepaid. The good news is that one, जो नए accounts है, all are being created in the prepaid method. Reason for payment fail, the top reason I have given like might be no sufficient balance, online international transaction are not allowed, auto debit facility is disabled, card has a daily limit spent, and the new limit for the per transaction is 5,000 rupees RBI. Again, local RBI regulations, and that has been already imposed in the India. The solution I offered: cross-check with your bank, auto debit, international payment, spending limits, chat with Facebook supports for billing issues, try different cards, payment methods, use prepaid accounts where you can make payment Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, doesn't matter what you are using, and clear existing outdoor like in case you have some dues. That is the solution I offer. Now let's talk about the part 2. Part 2 is really important today. The first thing I want to tell you good news is the part 2 here. The maximum transaction amount limit is 5,000 rupees. Like Facebook, even though आपका daily budget 5,000, 10,000 rupees है, 20,000 rupees है, now Facebook will make payment in the parts of 5,000 per transaction, maximum 5,000 rupees only. Before that one, what was happening? Around 70,000 rupees उनका कुछ transaction threshold था, 60,000 था I believe. And what was happening? There was a bulk charge on your card. And India के अंदर या world के अंदर, there were a lot of frauds बहुत हो रहे थे. People used to hack your account, run the advertising in one day and empty your account. But now good news is that one, due to the RBI regulations, per transaction amount will not be more than 5,000 rupees for Facebook ads. Okay, that is the good news. Amazing. Second thing, now you have to authorize your cards to allow the payments. Now in case you are already running advertising, then there will be some difficulties on your card. You need to reauthorize your card using your debit pin, जो backside पे card पे होता है 3 digit plus OTP, in order to allow this transaction. That is the good news. Security for your account. One time आप करेंगे, next time हो जाएगा. Third, you get the update before 24 hours. Before they debit your account, you get the mobile notification कि boss, this is the e-mandate, and after 24 hours, the amount will be deducted so that you can have the sufficient fund. Also, you get the pre-notification. In case there is some difficulties, fraud, you can call your bank and block the transaction as well. Okay, but be the ethical. In case you have spent yourself, make sure the payment is clear. And the fourth is all new ad accounts are prepaid. जो नए accounts बन रहे, all there are prepaid accounts बन रहे, so that you can make the payment through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, net banking, doesn't matter. आपको balance add करना है, आपका ad चलेगा. So let me take you on my screen और मैं आपको live दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे. This is not just like, first of all, watch this video, first part 1, नीचे link होगा. In case you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You will get a lot of golden nugget like this one. Now, I'm inside my business manager. I'm inside my business manager, and I will show you one ad account here. Suppose I go to the ad account here. In case आप में से कुछ लोग नए हैं, you don't know anything, then completely fine. You can learn more about that one. For example, I have multiple ad accounts. I will go to the one ad accounts. For example, I have demo ad account here. Prepaid method. So there will be आपके accounts होंगे. There will be so many things there. I will take you in the accounts. आप account में जा सकते हैं. You can go to the billing. आपको billing में जाना है. यहाँ पे देखो ऑप्शन लेफ्ट साइड में ऑप्शन है 3 dots. Click on that and billing. आप इजीली कर सकते हो. In case you are already running advertising, you know. तो बिलिंग के अंदर आपको ऐसे ऐड अकाउंट दिखेगा. आपके पास होगा अवेलेबल बैलेंस. अवेलेबल बैलेंस इन द सेंस दिस इज द प्रीपेड अकाउंट. वी हैव टू ऐड द फंड्स. बट इन केस आपको कुछ इश्यूज है, आपका कार्ड अप्रूव नहीं है, लाइक यू सी हियर आई हैव एडेड द पेड, इट विल बी लाइक पेइंग ऑटोमेटिकली. जो आपका ट्रांजेक्शन होगा इट विल कीप पेइंग. Now there is one more thing, because due to the like limitation of 5,000 रुपये ट्रांजेक्शन you might see lot of debits in the day. आपका 20,000 रुपये स्पेंड है तो आपको 4 बिल्स आएंगे अलग अलग. बट फेसबुक विल नॉट चार्ज मोर, उतना ही होगा. यहाँ पे देखो इन केस आपको वेरीफाई करना है तो गो टू द पेमेंट सेटिंग. इन द पेमेंट सेटिंग यू विल हैव योर कार्ड्स. जो कुछ भी आपका कार्ड रहेगा यहाँ पे, इन केस आई हैव द कार्ड. And you can add the new payment method or add new payment method. New payment method you have like you can have multiple like debit card, UPI, Paytm, net banking, etc. But now in case you are adding debit card, credit card, next करो and you have to add your card. आपको card detail add करना है, आपको आपका नाम डालना है. You have to do and it will ask for the one time OTP and done. Okay, that's how you do it. And you will see transaction like this one. I will show you one of the accounts quickly, like how you see the transaction for new 5,000. Like in case you have the new limits, you will see the transaction like this one. I will show you the billings. Okay, so you can see bill like this one. आपको daily like ऐसे bill आएंगे 42,000 rupees plus GST. इंडिया के अंदर GST लगता है. Around the transaction limit is below. You can see today here I have 2 transaction like 42,000 rupees. तो basically अभी transaction split हो चुके हैं. That is the one thing. Okay, you can watch this video again and do all those things. So what we cover here, like maximum transaction limit 5,000 rupees. It's really good for security reasons. You have to authorize your card for an OTP one time. You get the update before 24 hours. And new accounts are prepared. So now what did you learn from this video? I hope this was the useful video. You can share your learnings below this video, and if you are facing other difficulties related to these topics and this challenge, share the below this video. I will try to reply back to you or create new video on that one. Beside this one, guys, sharing is caring. Share with your 3 friends or groups you belong to. किसी का भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकता है. पीपल चार्ज लॉट ऑफ मनी बट आई एम गिविंग यू एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. ऑल्सो आई हैव स्पेशल गिफ्ट. इफ यू वांट टू कम ऑन द फास्ट ट्रैक, लर्न मोर, टेक माय पर्सनल हेल्प, you can become a part of my one of the live interactive high performance Facebook and funnel workshop or the master class. Check the link below, or you can go to the dattatule.co/formula. You can check on the link here. And in case you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now, hit the like button or ring bell button so that you get the first notification of the new video. I'm going on the fire mode to give you a lot of videos and content like this one. दोस्तों धन्यवाद for watching this video and stay tuned. Never stop learning, never stop growing. धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.